Office of Deputy Commissioner Bhoi District Pynlong ya ke program Career Guidance and Counselling na kabenta ki Samla Pule na duk class 9 haduk class 12 ha ka khatlai tarik luber hari Bhoi College. Kinohikai bakiri shempang na ka Society for Creating a Difference na Delhi kilawan ban ai ki jinghikai bat jingbatai ha ka ni program. Palat lais pangut ki Samla Pule negi school ringkat kinohikai na themri Bhoi kilawan ban shimenta ha ka ni program minta kasngi. Kajing temu pekongsan jong kini ke Career Guidance and Counselling Program kalong ban penrung ha kijing mut jing perkat jong ki Samla Pule ye kijing dan kam ban tip jeliu ye ki subject bat ban penrhem ye ki ban minot bat ban penkre bahai lade ban tur syakmat ban yakun ye ki eksamen bebunjat ban kintiu ye la kalawi jong ki. Kinohikai berkiriu syampang na ke Society for Creating a Difference ki bakentup yuk Dr. Vikas Kumar, Amit Kumar, Kamvir Kumar, bat Abhishek Kumar ki labatai sani ha ki Samla Pule ye ki jingdon kam ban penkre elade ban penlek bun kenta ha ki jing Pule ye ki subject beper bat ban Pule benya ye ki jing batai kumnu ban jibab ye ki jing keli ha ki eksamen ye kun kam. Ban penceluri ki Samla Pule Wabilash Baranwal DC ke District Ribhoi ringkat bu Akash Marak Assistant Commissioner EC kila shimentalang hagini ke program. Harin ke jinghikai bajing batai kinong penyat kini ke society kila pelong ye ke jingya kop kentip ni ke quiz hapdeng kini ke Samla Pule. Ye kinong job la ai busket de ki kot science bat mathematics bat ki certificate ban penceluri ki ban duryap minot ha ke jing Pule jongki. Udisi ru ulai ke jingkran kersil thia ke Samla Pule ke ni ke program ban penceluri ki ban penyar ialah ki bor jingtip na ke benta kalawai bepernai jongki.
Being successful. For example, in UPSC, this year alone, Manipur has given 6 successful candidates. Manipur, a state which currently is devastated by the violence, has given 6 positive results. In Meghalaya, there has not been a single local candidate for last 13 years who has been successful. Now, why is this so? It's not because there is lack of talent. Because same Meghalaya was returning a lot of successful candidates for IIT, for UPSC and for other competitive examinations across the country. But this was the story 3 decades back. Probably what has happened is it's all because of the lack of exposure. Somehow the education system or maybe the exposure levels in Meghalaya is still stuck in the same level while the rest of the country has moved forward. And in this basically in this situation, what becomes most important is career counselling. Why? Because career counselling will open your eyes towards the large number of career prospects that exist. So, we are extremely fortunate today that we have such an eminent panelist with us today. Most of them, none of them is actually a full-time. All of them are extremely distinguished in the career that they are pursuing. For example, Abhishek Kumar sir and Karamveer sir, they are IIT graduates from 2005 batch. Then we have professor and we have 2 professors amongst us. They have created a society called Creating a Difference. They are they are traveling across the country to provide career counselling to the students so that they know about the different kind of careers that are available, to know about the levels to which education can take you in your life. Unfortunately, in Meghalaya, we see that recently we conducted our DSC examinations. We saw that so many postgraduate people who are holders of PhD have applied for positions like LDA, UDA, which are clerk level positions. I do not have anything against the clerks, but then the qualification that is required for a clerk is class 12 pass. But then if you are a postgraduate and you are a PhD holder, you are an MPhil holder, and then you are applying for these positions, it is a very sorry state of affairs because it shows that maybe you are not aware what education can give you, what career streams you can get. So, I urge all of you to be patient. I understand that the hall is slightly smaller than the number of students who have turned up. We apologize for the inconvenience that you'll have to bear, but the panelists are here. They'll be taking you through the presentation. Feel free to ask questions. There will be quiz also, and they'll be also orienting you towards different career streams that can be possible. So.
We are Society for Creating a Difference, an NGO from Delhi. We came here to conduct a Science cum Career Guidance seminar organized by District Administration of Bhoi district. So we conducted this career guidance seminar at Nongpo in Bhoi College, Nongpo, where students of class 9 to 12th from different government schools has been reached this venue along with their teachers, and we are really thankful to District Administration of Bhoi, especially the Deputy Commissioner Sri Abhilashji, who has conducted and allowed this Science cum Career Guidance seminar, where the different part of the district administration, such as Education Department and Revenue Department, has joined this program, and they convened this program very successfully. And the venue was really very good. It was Bhoi College, the local area where the students have gathered from different government schools. So we conducted this seminar today, that is on the 13th March 2026, Friday. The seminar was very fulfilling. We are really satisfied to say that we have accomplished our mission, and we are really thankful to the District Administration of Bhoi that for such a wonderful initiative to conduct this beautiful program, especially for the students of Nongpo and around the areas. The government school kids have a lot of potential, and during the seminar we realized that students are really very curious. After conducting the Science cum Career Guidance presentation, we conducted a quiz session in which we selected 10 successful candidates, students from class 9 to 12, who has given the correct answers of the quiz, and they had rewarded with some books authored by the team members of Society for Creating a Difference, Mr. Abhishek, Mr. Amit Kumar and Mr. Karamveer Kumar. They have authored a book called Number Theory. We have given the certificate also, and certificates and the prize was distributed by the members of CAD in the presence of Mr. Akash, who is part of district administration of Nong. So overall it was a very satisfying, very fulfilling program, and very powerful initiative by district government of Bhoi, who has allowed us and given this wonderful platform and opportunity to conduct this wonderful session where we motivated students of class 9 to 12 from different government schools of Bhoi, and we found that the students of Bhoi has really very good potential. They can become engineer, doctors, army personnel, and wherever they want to become in their career, they can pursue. They have been very motivated in terms of the science, taking career opportunities, as far as the career guidance is concerned. They have been guided really very correctly. So, in the last but not the least, I am again thankful to the district administration, especially DC sir, Mr. Abhilash Barnawalji, who has given us such an opportunity to conduct this program. Approximately 300 students have joined from different government schools. These students were from class 9 to 12. So they were gathered for this seminar, and credit goes to the district administration who were able to convene the education education officer or the principals of respective schools who have collected the students, and they came along with their teachers also.